Good morning, children. Today we are going to complete the remaining pages of your Wind Chimes Workbook, Chapter 2. Here, children, you have to choose correct option do does. So, children, first you have to know the rules. When you should use do and when to use does. Okay? So, we write does with he, she, or it. We write does with a noun that names a person or thing. So, children, we write does with he, she, or it. Like you can write he does his homework. WRK. Okay. He does his homework every day. She does. Okay, children. So we use does with he, she, it does. We write does with a noun that names a person. Like you can write name of any person, like you can write Neetu does and then rest of the sentence. Or a thing. Okay. तो देखो बच्चों, हम लोग डाज कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे, डू कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे, ये सबसे पहले आपको सीख लेना पड़ेगा. तो डाज हम लोग किस किस के साथ यूज़ करेंगे? ही, शी, इट. ही के साथ, जैसे ही डाज समथिंग, शी डाज, ओके, इट डाज. किसी एक पर्सन का नेम या फिर एक थिंग का नेम होगा तब भी डाज यूज़ होगा, जैसे नीतू डाज. ओके. So in this way, children, we use does with this. Now we write do with I, you, we और they. सिर्फ इनके साथ और कहाँ पे प्लूरल नाउन के साथ हम लोग do यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे I do, अगर आप कुछ सेंटेंस लिखना चाहते हैं जहाँ पे आप do यूज़ करेंगे with आई के साथ अगर आप लिखना चाहते हैं तो डू लिखेंगे, डाज नहीं लिखेंगे. यू, क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता है कि यू सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों ही होता है. यू डू, दे डू. ओके. और प्लूरल नाउन, जैसे हम लोगों ने नेम लिखे थे, नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन, तो नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन डाज. Name of more than one person, if you write Neetu and Raju, then you can see here name of more than one person, so here we write do, not does. Okay. Or any plural noun, with any plural noun we use do, not does. कभी एक जन का नेम होगा तो does, मोर देन वन यानी एक से ज़्यादा, वो दो भी हो सकते हैं, 3, 4, 5, इट कुड बी एनी नंबर, बट मोर देन वन. ओके. तो ऐसे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, तब डू लिखेंगे, डाज नहीं लिखेंगे. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स रीड दिस सेंटेंसेस एंड टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो फर्स्ट वन, he have a bicycle. Do does. You know, we write does with he. So does here is correct. They do. अगर आप इसको यहाँ पे जो रूल्स है इसको आप अच्छे से समझ ले और इसको आप अपने कॉपी में लिख भी लीजिए. ओके. अपने कॉपी में लिख लीजिए तो ये सब आप खुद ही कर पाएंगे. Next, number 3, his mother do does. Children, his mother, one person, So does here is correct. Number 4, do anybody have a pencil? Anybody, a person, so does. She, you can solve this, you can choose the correct option for this one yourself. Next, number 6, we do, you do, okay, they do, she does. Now complete the remaining sentences. Now children, here we have to fill the blanks with go, goes. We, plural, so go. They, also plural, go. Can we go? She will go. I want to go. Did he go? Rita, name of a person, goes. Me and my father, more than one person, go. Arya and her friends, more than one person, so write here go. We go. I will go. Now page number 15, writing. Let's make an invitation card for your birthday. Fill in the blanks with words from the box to complete the card. So children, here is an invitation card given and some words are given in the box. Now we have to fill the blanks with correct words. So first read the given words. Starts at 5 p.m. Starts at 5 p.m. My house. You could come. Close friends. Am going to be. Now read here. Invitation. It's my birthday. Dear friend, I am going to be. So write here. Am going to be. I am going, G-O-I-N-G, to be 7 years old next week. I am throwing a small party for all my close friends. Write here, close friends. C-L-O-S-E, close. Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. I will be very happy if you could come for my birthday party. So write here, if you could come. You could, C-O-U-L-D, could come. The party starts at 5 p.m. Right here. Starts. Right from here, children. Starts at 5 p.m. on Saturday. At my house. Right here. My house. At my house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Please do come. We will have loads of fun. Your name. And now you have to write your name here. So in this way, fill the blanks and complete the invitation card for your birthday party. So in this way, children, you can write invitation for your birthday party. Okay. So complete these exercises. In our next class, we will revise all the exercises of this book. Thank you.